In order to deal with partner retirements in a smooth and systematic way, law firms need to set out the retirement process in writing. The document should state clearly what the firm expects from partners and what partners can expect from the firm as they approach and transition into retirement. Spelling out in writing the purpose, objectives, steps, and expectations that apply to all retiring partners tells everyone what they have to do and when, and makes it harder for them to claim surprise or unfairness or to argue for special treatment. As you document your process, here are a few important subjects to include. First, an overview. Explain why the firm has this process in place, how and when retirement discussions will start, who will be involved, what they'll cover, and all pertinent timeframes and deadlines. Second, talk about client transitions. Explain what the firm expects partners to do to prepare successors, hand over control of ongoing matters and client relationships, and transition their leadership roles and management responsibilities. It's a good idea to include examples, forms, and guidelines describing how to do those things, and also to ask partners to prepare detailed transition plans for key clients. Third, talk about ongoing workload. The firm needs to be clear about its expectations regarding partners' workload and billable hours during the transition. If a phased retirement is possible, that is a gradual decrease in work responsibility and hours over a period of time, describe how it can be arranged and for how long. Fourth, compensation, of course, is critical. The document should explain how partners' compensation will be determined during the transition period and any incentives for successful client handovers. It should also address how any post-retirement compensation will be handled. Fifth, retirement options. If you offer options that are not available to every retiring partner, indicate the standards and processes for qualifying for each option. For example, some firms offer different levels of benefits for retiring at different ages, and some firms offer the option to continue working in the firm in non-equity or non-partner roles. Sixth, resources and support during the transition. The retirement process is not just about the firm's expectations. The description should also detail what partners can expect from the firm as they transition into retirement. These items can range from administrative and tech support to financial planning assistance or retirement coaching. Seventh, what will happen when the partner completes the transition and actually retires? Partners need to know big things, like what their status and ongoing relationship with the firm will be as a retired partner. They also need to understand the impact of retirement on practical everyday things like health insurance or access to firm technology, email, client information, and office staff. Don't assume retiring partners know these things. While many partners are pretty savvy, others have always relied on the firm for information, support, and services they will no longer enjoy when they retire. The list of subjects to document could go on, but these are some of the things you should plan for and address in a written description of your firm's retirement process.